guys, it's Aiden and today we're at Dunbar, situated on the East Coast Main Line. So today you'll be seeing services by Virgin Trains East Coast, ScotRail and Cross Country. So, see what shall arrive and depart. Now arriving in is the ScotRail Class 158. Is coming in.
I'm going to get Jesse.
158 coming in. A train coming in. Here it is. So,
right, you can hold my hand now.
I'm not gonna go close. First train is gonna be, and it's terminating here at Dunbar. 158734. Coming now, passing. No.
I'll let you talk.
Yes, now passing through is a Virgin Trains East Coast 225 set. Oh, I'm gonna do this for a horn.
Here it comes. Fisher.
So,
He'll come past him.
oh my god. Of course they will. Whew. 82215 and 91 105. Now passing through should be something any moment now. Buy that 158. Something should be coming any moment now. We'll just wait. Just wait for a few seconds. Should be here any moment now. Oh, frick. I know. Oh, something should be here. Ah, someone. When is something? Whoever said that, it will be a minute. When the hell are we here? I'll put it back to little because it's different, sorry. There. Now should be something. There's a green light, so something should be here. Oh, here it is. Now passing through the Virgin Trains East Coast. 91111 for the fallen. 82207. Now getting ready to pass through in a few minutes is going to be something bound for up Scotland, Glasgow Central, maybe Edinburgh, maybe Aberdeen, maybe Inverness. We're not sure. We'll see what train comes. If it's a 225, it'll be bound for Edinburgh. So we are going to get in a few minutes. I know we'll get a Virgin train, but I just know all the way up to the 5, so hopefully not. train is the train going at? Now is passing through. Now passing through is going to be. It's getting cold actually. Alright. Alright. Not as cold as anything right into it. No. 1.0 again. I accidentally pressed the volume button. I didn't know what it did. And it made it. What the? Oh, gracious me. What was that? Not one curling past there. There'll be one curling past here. Oh, it should be super speed. Oh, I think it's coming. I think it's coming. I think that is coming. Got all the numbers of every change so far. That is okay. That is okay, like. Whoo! That's never happened to me before. I've usually never caught the numbers. Oh. Okay, I thought that was a horn. It's an airplane. Can't be the Class 82 horn. Oh, it's cross country. It's Voyager. Super Voyager. 220.068. Now depart, getting ready to depart is a ScotRail Class 158. Off to Edinburgh. Here we are. It's leaving. Looking for a horn. In this only one video. Yes! Right, that's the end of the video now. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye!